Today we are starting our new unit, contact lenses, and this is a very important unit. From the highlights, I have not mentioned any important point in other units, but here a very important point is written. In contact lens fitting, this rule is followed same, and FAB rule is followed, while in case of the soft toric lenses, Lars rule is followed. So please remember these rules. This is very important. Okay. And lastly, you all know that uh, all the definitions present in the glossary are very important. And base curve, remember this chord diameter, optical zone, and all these definitions are very important. All these definitions are important. Just give a read to contact lens optics, not very much. Just read this example. Accommodation very important. Okay. Accommodation topic is present in also in other units. So correlate all these points written in other units. This is a very important example. Accommodative demand. Accommodative demand. This will be asked. What is the accommodative demand? The scenario will be given, and you can get 2 to 3 questions about the accommodative demand. So please be ready. And just give a quick read to these topics: correcting astigmatism, etc. Something written here is very important. Lenses for the correction of myopia create induced base in prism, whereas which decreases the convergence demand, while lenses for the correction of hyperopia create the induced prism base out, which increases the convergence demand. Okay. One increases the convergence demand and other decreases the. This is very important. Okay. And just give a quick read to this topic. Now the most important topic, contact lens material, very important. Uh, this is not much important, but from here, this is very important. All these definitions, oxygen permeability, lens material, and what is DKT, wetting angle, etc. Now there are, according to the lens types, hard contact lenses, then soft contact lenses. Okay. Very important point written here: the wettability of the lens surface determines whether a wetting angle will be low. Okay, please read this point very carefully. All this is very important. Okay, from here starts corneal RGP lenses. Very important. Okay, these are the comparison of soft contact lenses and corneal RGP lenses. Very important. Not too much important, but just give a quick read. It can be asked that in which condition contact lens is contraindicated. So remember the risk factor like diabetes, immunosuppression, long-term use of topical steroid, ocular medication, corticosteroid, chemotherapy, foreign body. Other relative contraindicated contact lenses include inability, failure of the contact lenses, monocularity, abnormal eyelid function such as Bell's palsy, severe dry eye, or the corneal nevascularization. Okay, so contraindication will be asked. This question has been repeated 2 or 3 times. Okay, this is very important. Quick read. Contact lens solution important, but not very much. But remember this. Here are the main advantages of the RGB lenses and the disadvantages of the RGB lenses. So remember this. Contact lens fitting is important, very important. Many questions will be asked. Sagittal depth, chord diameter, optical zone, all these definitions. Sagittal depth, okay, chord diameter, optical zone, all these very important. Here is a very important point written: contact lenses are described by their back vertex power. This is an MCQ. Soft contact lenses. All these are the points about the soft contact lenses. Every point is important. This table is not important. These two tables, 2 or 3 tables, these are very important. Okay. There will be question about how loose fit, tighter fit, loose fit, etc. Please remember this. Previously there was soft contact lenses, now corneal rigid gas permeable contact lenses. Very important. Okay, and this is very important. This diagram, steeper apical clearance on apical alignment, clearance, alignment, apical bearing. These 3 terms, please read them. Apical clearance, apical alignment, apical bearing. And look here, the most common type of RGB contact lens fit is the apical alignment. Apical alignment. All these points are very important. Okay.